Hey guys, I'm happy to see you again and welcome back to Brave Night. In the past few days, I was wondering in how to make the smartphone screen bigger. Is it possible to make it bigger? For example, this one is 6.5 inch, I guess. I want to make it 7 or 8 or 9. Can I do that without changing the smartphone? And is it possible to do that without paying anything? It's a good question. Now we're gonna say it's impossible to increase the phone screen size. If it's 6 inches, we're gonna stay 6 inch forever. You can only change the text size, but the main screen, no, it's impossible. You're gonna say that, but I'm afraid to tell you that you are wrong, and I will gonna prove that to you. So, all we're gonna need is one of these cheap garbage. It's called mobile phone video amplifier or portable home cinema. All this is lies, of course. It is very cheap and low quality. We have different types here. This one, you just put your phone inside here and open it up like this, and bam, you're gonna zoom your screen. And this one, I guess you open it like this. You put your phone here and then you zoom your screen. I'm gonna show you how it works later. Next, we also need a smartphone. And if you don't have a smartphone, I'm afraid to tell you that this video is not for you. And I'm asking you to leave. Just go, leave. We don't want you here. I'm not gonna use this phone. This phone is just an example in case if you don't know how the smartphone looks like. And we need a phone case. An old phone case. Don't use your main phone case because we're gonna glue some stuff or maybe we're gonna dig some holes on it. And guess what? This one was see-through a few years ago. When I left this one, it was pure and shiny. And then when I found it a few days ago, it came up like this. I searched all over YouTube a few days ago on how to make it see-through and shiny again. Some people said use vinegar and others said use chemicals. And unfortunately, none of them works. I guess I'm just make it worse. Maybe it's too late for this one. If your phone case turn up like this, just throw it away and buy a new one. We also need some wood sticks and a clipper or whatever you called it in your country or in your area. This thing. I need one of these things. Now let me show you how this thing works. Bring your phone, open my channel on it, and now push your phone deep inside. Guess what? It will gonna zoom. This is my hand in case if you don't know. And this is my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you pull it out, it's a small little pathetic phone screen. You put it inside, it become big. But this one, as you can see, it is closed from both sides. It looks like an old TV. So you cannot touch the screen when you put it on, which is not good. And it's too big and massive to put it in your pocket. So it's rubbish. Let's try the other one. The other one is different. You put your phone right here and it should zoom the screen. Okay. That's big. But of course not darker like this one. It's actually did what it's supposed to do. But the quality is not that good. Yeah, this one a little bit smaller than the other one. But it still looks weird if you take this one outside with you. So what are we gonna do now? Break this one up. Just like this. This is all what I need. This is so edgy, as you can see. So I'm gonna use the frame. I'm gonna fix it like this with some glue. And my mission now is attach it with the phone cover. To be like this. Without touching the frame or anything. I'm gonna make it like this. It is done. Now it's time to find a way to make a removable holder. And we're gonna do it with this. Done. We need a wood stick. This edges will be removed. And it will gonna be perfect. So what are we gonna do now? Glue this one here. This one will be there. Then we're gonna use one of these sticks. And then we're gonna glue it right here with some support, I guess. And we're gonna build a holder on the back of this phone case. And this lens will be connected with it with a slider, just like that. It will be just like this. That's it. This piece will be removable. And this one will be slidable. Just like this. If I manage to do that, I will replace all that with only this. So let's do it. And we are done. Yup, it will be perfect. And it is done. It looks ugly as promised. And guess what? It can hold the lens weight without any issue. As you can see, there is no struggling at all. When you design something by a professional, this is what you get, my friend. Now it's time to make the holder. I guess now we are done. This piece will be connected into your phone case. So I'm gonna glue this one here and we are done. You just did it. Okay, I found a problem. This silicone is resisting the glue. It didn't stick because it's so dirty. Why? Why it turned out like this? Melted maybe? It's so disgusting now. What should I do now? Okay, I cleaned it with alcohol and this is what I end up with. As you can see, the hot glue made a permanent mark, or it's actually cleaned it a little bit. See, this part now it's become see-through again. It backs to its original shape. So I can cure this with heat. It can be see-through again. So what about a boiled water? What will gonna happen? Yeah, let's try it. Forget about this video now. Now let's focus on this experiment. Now I'm gonna put hot water, an extremely hot water, on this phone case. I have a dirty plate, as you can see here. And now let's bring the hot water. I hope this water is hot enough. Yeah, burn. Yeah, die. I'm having fun watching you burning alive. It's actually melting. The phone case is actually melting. Oh, it's pure again. It's see-through. Yeah, I can see some disgusting stuff on top of it. Woo! Yeah, there is some dirty stuff on top of it. It's very hot. And it's very disgusting to touch. I'm actually removing the top layer. Ooh, now it's usable. I can use this thing now. So all what you need is just hot water, nothing else. So we just fixed something by mistake. It's very clean and shiny. And I'm not sure the hot glue will gonna stick on this material. Okay, this phone case will not gonna work. But this is not the end. I have another ugly phone case. Look at this one. It's for the same phone design. This one, as you can see, it's still ugly and there is some spider net around it. If we're just gonna wipe it out a little bit, that will happen. I don't know, man. But this one will work. Okay, this shape is promising. Now let's see. Okay. I guess it's more sticky than this one. And another thing, it is more solid, it's not flexible like this. Try number 2. Second phone case. Let's do it. It should work this time. Solid so far. Not 100% strong, but better than nothing. Okay, if you just hold the phone like this, yeah, it works fine. Yeah, that's very cool. So imagine this is your phone. Let's increase the brightness a little bit. Because this phone is out of charge. Why it's not working fine with me? So you can't adjust the brightness now. Imagine this phone with full brightness. So now everything is big. And you're just holding your phone. You still can use your phone normally. You can open the gallery. Do you see this game? It's called Cookie Bird. Guys, please go try it. It is highly recommend to play it. Choose level 1. No, I don't care. What the fuck? Yeah, this game is so hard. Okay. Okay, that's better. I can see better than you guys. Yeah, this is how it's gonna looks like. A bigger screen based on a small phone screen. How much did I pay? Nothing. But this game is rubbish. Okay guys, you got the point. Look at the difference. This is the phone now, and this is the real phone. It's very small. Can you read this number? I can't. But with this lens, easy -2. This is the phone that I'm gonna use on this project. But I'm filming with it now. Let's zoom out too. What will happen with the camera if I did this? Anyway guys, I hope you liked this thing. And Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.